Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will see about combinational for loop. So here is a problem statement. Given a 100-bit input vector 99 is to 0, reverse its bit ordering. So as in C there is a for loop. In Verilog also we can use a for loop for reversing the bit ordering. So here is a hint given, you can check out. So whenever you declare the for loop, we will in C we will declare as int of I. Here also we have to declare as integer of I. Integer I. And before using any for loop, we should use an always block. Always at star begin. So after that for loop for I equal to 0, I less than 99. And here we can't write I plus plus. Instead of that we have to write I equal to I plus 1. So here also we have to write begin. So we want to reverse the bit ordering. So out of 99 minus I is equal to in of I. So here it will go from 0 to 99 and here it will come from 99 to 0. So and we are ending the for loop and we are ending the always block. So let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. So as you can see, there is some status incorrect. There are some mismatches in our output. So let's see what is that. 99 minus I. So what are the errors? Let's figure it out. For loop 0 equal to correct, 1 equal to incorrect. It is in 91 is instead of B we are getting A. Okay. And I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 99. So let's submit the code once again. So here compilation process has been started. We can check it out. So the statistics. So the what was the error? That I was not including the integer means bit 99. Instead I was just still using till 98. So there was one slight error. So let's get to the next one. Pop count 255. So what is this? A population count circuit counts the number of ones in an input vector. Build a population count circuit for a 22-bit vector. Ones in an input. So here we have to build a counter. Like whenever in a population, when we encounter one, then we should increment our counter. So let's see how we can do it. Here is a hint. You can. So here also counter means we have to increment a for loop. So for that we have to declare first integer I and always block, always at star begin and a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than equals to 254, I equal to I plus 1. So here we also have to write begin. So we have to use the if condition. They have said that count number of ones. If in of I equal to encounters the 1, then we have to begin the condition. Then we have to write beforehand we have to declare one wire as count wire or register. We have to declare register as we are in the always loop. Counter equal to 0 begin Here we have to initialize 0 as we have to avoid the latch up condition. So counter equal to counter plus 1. We have to end the if case, we have to end the for loop, and in always block we have to assign out equal to counter. So we have to end the always. Let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. There are few warnings. See, there is 0 error, 0 warning. I think our loop got stuck in a infinite for loop. So our code has become stale, means that it is stuck in an infinite for loop. So let's see what we can do this. So figuring out the error if condition end for begin end and always block, it is counter. So counter also we have to declare of 7:0 as the output is of 8 bits. So let's check the code once again. The compilation process has been started. There are a few errors on line 9. I don't know what is happening with this code. So here is the status incorrect. So our output is stale. So what we have to do, counter equal to counter plus 1. So let's check in the for always block, counter equal to 0. If for equal to 0, for loop in begin, if in of I equal to 1, equal to counter plus 1. So as you can see, status is success. So what was the error we are doing? So the error was we were declaring the 0 in initially conditions, like before always block. In always block we were not setting the count as 0. So always we have to remember that if we declare the variable, we have to declare it as 0 in the always block. So that was error. In the next video we will see about the address and BCA error.